First on the news at 6 o'clock, the state Supreme Court has cleared a former Broadmoor teacher who was both acquitted and convicted at her original trial.
Bridget DiGirolamo is free from all charges more than a year since that verdict. She was charged with aggravated assault after pointing a gun at a car traveling on a flooded street in her Shenandoah neighborhood in 2020. It was all caught on video. News 2's Bess Casterly spoke to her lawyers and has their reaction.
Well, Sylvia, one Supreme Court justice called the conduct of the judge at the center of this case, Ebony Johnson-Rose, a blatant violation of judicial guidelines that, quote, shocks the conscience.
This is how it started.
Y'all should have put a gun out on us.
In the summer of 2020, a family driving down a flooded street was accosted by Bridget DiGirolamo wielding a bat and then a gun.
You don't play with guns and threaten people.
DiGirolamo claims she was overwhelmed by the thought of her home flooding again.
You don't care that my house is flooding.
But the family pressed charges, and in 2023, DiGirolamo went on trial for aggravated assault.
To make an incredibly long story short, for the next 14 months, we fought an appeals battle about the case.
That battle ended Tuesday when the Louisiana Supreme Court cleared her.
And so she's cleared of all charges, and she's free from any further prosecution. Thrilled is the word. We're thrilled for Bridget.
At the original trial, presided over by Judge Ebony Johnson-Rose, at first, the jury found DiGirolamo guilty of lesser charges. But after some back and forth on how to properly record the verdict, the jury found her not guilty. Rose read that verdict into the record and dismissed everyone, including DiGirolamo. But after speaking with the jury again, she changed course.
She called Ms. DiGirolamo back and everyone back, and then she reinstituted the responsive verdict, right? And the problem is that the case was over.
After her lawyers objected, a separate judge reviewed the case and declared a mistrial. The First Circuit Court of Appeals said a new trial would be best, but the state Supreme Court said Tuesday that DiGirolamo cannot be tried again.
The legal issue dealt with whether or not the verdict had been properly recorded. The not guilty verdict had been properly recorded, and whether that was the verdict that was correct.
In their decision, the justices said, here, after receiving a final verdict and retiring the jury, the trial court erred by allowing the jury to continue to deliberate and change its verdict, particularly after the court violated the sanctity of any further deliberations by meeting privately with the jury.
Judge Rose has had other controversial decisions recently. Earlier this month, she found a former Baton Rouge police officer guilty of a crime that doesn't exist, then acquitted him 3 weeks later. Sylvia.